Hey GlamFam, welcome back to the channel, besties. Stick around to see how we made this beautiful circle welcome sign. Okay, so the boards I found at Hobby Lobby, and this was 40% off. If you know me, you know I like a good deal. 3 came inside the package. They also have others that you can just hang, but I decided to take this one. I jumped on my Cricut and I created what I needed. You can also choose to do welcome. I cut that out and this is what it's looking like. I add some flowers here that I'm going to be choosing and refusing. I'm going to be creating a handle for the sign. So we're going to put that on first, just so that we get that out the way. If you're looking to get a staple gun, the electric one is way better and uses less effort, you guys. So next up, I am going to section off and we're going to paint, and I'm just going to add music so you guys can listen and watch. Handle is in place and that's looking okay. So now start creating. You'll feel so much better knowing, oh, that thing is hanging on my door and I created it. butterflies from our old sign is a must. Miss Donna from Donna's Designs would be so proud.
Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe.